want to give you a demo of MIDI Progression 6. And so basically what I normally do, I just start off with like messing around. I'll pull up a progression and I just start tapping on the pads, trying to find a melody. Now I like that, so I'll record that, you know, you know. Okay, so now that I have that, what I'll do, I'll just go and try to mess around with some drums. All right, so I mean, I like that. So now what I'll do, I like to see, I'll find something like that kind of goes along with that, you know. So I'll find another, I'll pull up another sound, go through some sounds or whatever. And I'm always using the same progression. I'm making sure I'm staying in the same key, you know. You know what I mean? All right, so that works for me. So again, like I said, I'll go along and I'll try to mess around and I'll pull up some other sounds. You know, load up some other sounds from the repository. Like this is one of my favorite sounds. I love this. This is definitely one of my favorite sounds from the repository. All right, so I'll take that and you know, I'll add that. All right, so now that I got that, now finding a bass line because I like to kind of mess around. Now this bass is from the included bass with a MIDI Progression 6. I love this bass. It's a portamento bass that allows glide. Now what we're gonna want to do, we're gonna want to just put this in notes. So I'll play something. So I want to show you up here, like with this bass, what I love this bass so much, it just allows like glide effect. So if you notice, like I'll have like this bass layered almost as if I'm playing chords with it. But what that does, that allows the bass to like kind of like glide into the next note and kind of give you a drill type of effect. And what you're gonna want to do is like say here, like you have this note here, you want to push it back slightly, and it'll give you that nice little glide. Let's listen to the whole track. That's how easy it is. Like progression kits, the repository, cycle kits. I do all of this. I try to make things as easy as possible. You know what I mean? So I try to take the guesswork out of making music. Like you all, I got a job, I got a family, whatever else like that, and I can't spend time digging for records or, you know, staying a lot of time in the studio, have other responsibilities. So, I basically shortcut things so y'all guys can be as effective and as efficient as you possibly can. We'll load up another beat I was kind of working on here. Let's see. Same thing basically. Almost like a chop, right? But no, those are MIDI progressions. Put a bass in that, the same. Again, the same portamento bass that I give you with MIDI Progression 6. I'll throw it all together and I'll come up with something like this. I think that joint right there is gonna be hot. I just gotta mix that. But yeah, so this has been my demo of MIDI Progression 6, along with some repository sounds, along with some Psycho Kit sounds. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to more future videos from me in the future. All right, respect everybody.